A round of applause, please. On behalf of our chairperson, Yunel M. Alim, let me convey his message of support. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Consortium of Bangsamoro Civic Society, or the CBCS, proudly expresses its unwavering support for the Learning Exit Program of the Syrian Livelihoods Development for Women and Youth and Internally Displaced Persons. This initiative represents a vital step toward empowering conflict-affected communities, especially women and youth, through sustainable and inclusive livelihoods opportunities. As a solidarity network of moral civil society organizations dedicated to peace building, human rights, and inclusive development in the Bangsamoro region, CBCS recognizes the transformative potential of this initiative in empowering vulnerable communities, especially women and youth affected by displacement. We believe that sustainable livelihoods and access to learning and opportunities are essential pillars for rebuilding lives and fostering long-term peace and resilience. We are also honored to collaborate with the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, or the UNFAO, through the coordination and monitoring mechanism in monitoring the long-term impacts and documenting success stories that emerge from the project. These narratives will serve not only as evidence of progress, but also as inspiration for continued resilience and innovative among IDP communities. Our commitment goes beyond partnership. It is pledged to amplify the voices of the marginalized and ensure transparency and accountability in implementation and contribute to a future where every Bangsamoro woman and youth has the opportunity to thrive. Together with FAO, Provincial Government of Maguindano del Sur, under the leadership of Honorable Governor Dato Adeline Timbang, and other stakeholders, CBCS will continue to champion inclusive development and community empowerment across the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Together, let us ensure that no Bangsamoro is left behind in the journey towards recovering resilience and self-reliance. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your steadfast leadership and support in advancing the rights and welfare of internally displaced women and youth in the Bangsamoro region. To formally end this historical event,